Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So for today's video, I am doing a Sun Goddess makeup tutorial based on the theme of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Sun Goddess. If you're unfamiliar with Sweet Sparkle, it's a monthly beauty subscription service featured around an entire makeup look, and they give you 5 full-size products to create that look. And then, of course, you do have to use some of your own products. But if you're unfamiliar with these kind of videos, be sure to check out the playlist. And also check out the Sun Goddess, the Sweet Sparkle Sun Goddess unboxing, because I always do an unboxing video before the tutorial, so I can kind of test out the product, give you my opinion, and then put them into action in this video. I hope you enjoy, and if you want to find out how I got this look, then just keep watching. And also be sure to subscribe to Sweet Sparkle down below. If you're interested, it is a wonderful company and just an awesome subscription. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this Sun Goddess makeup tutorial. To start off this Sun Goddess makeup look, I'm actually doing something a little bit different because we're already getting into the products that were included in the Sun Goddess box. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Makeup and Mist Set. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a setting spray, but I'm also going to use it as primer spray. So instead of my NYX one, I'm going to use this one since it was included in the Sun Goddess box. I never knew I could have an impression about primer spray, but this has kind of like a weird scent to it, and the NYX one is way better in my opinion, but it does the job. Next, I'm going to use my NYX BB cream, and I'm in the shade Nude. An updated everyday makeup routine will also be coming soon. Okay, next I'm going to use my ColourPop concealer in the shade Light Neutral. You guys know, I will let you know when I use another product that was included in the Sun Goddess makeup, or in the Sun Goddess box. The next product that I'm going to use is powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, but it's just a translucent powder.
I can feel us falling up in the mercury, with the temperature rising, the flying sacred wings, getting harder and harder beyond.
The next product that I'm going to use is the Essence e.l.f. Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. So the next product that I'm going to use is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power to fill in my eyebrows. The next product that I'm going to use is bronzer, and this is by the brand Cosmicry, and this is the multi-dimensional bronzing powder. This was included in the Sun Goddess Sweet Sparkle box. I'm really excited to try this. The other Cosmicry product that I tried from Sweet Sparkle, that I got in a previous Sweet Sparkle, I really enjoyed. The only thing that makes me nervous about this bronzer is it looks a little bit dark, so I'm gonna go pretty light on it, and hopefully it won't be too dark. But it's really cool because this company, Cosmicry, is based in Plymouth, Michigan, and I live in Michigan, and I didn't know that there was a makeup brand in Michigan. How many times did I say Michigan in that phrase? I'm just gonna go really light because I really think that this might be too dark, but oh, it's not bad. It's really pretty. It's like definitely a little bit orangey. I'm not too worried about it though, because it's a Sun Goddess look, but I don't think it would be my everyday bronzer. Okay, so I went ahead and blended it out a bit, but I just knew that it was going to be orangey, and it definitely is, but it's not as bad as I thought. But like I said, it's not going to be my everyday bronzer, but to use up this product, you could also use it as an eyeshadow, so that would also help use this product up so that it doesn't go to waste. Like I said, it's not a bad bronzer, it's just too orangey for my skin tone. Overall, the product and pigmentation is really good. Since this look is a sun goddess look, I thought it'd be really good to use a really good highlighter. And this is by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is the Nikki Tutorials Everglow highlighter. It is my favorite. I love it. I'm going to use blush as well, and I promise we'll be getting into more of the products that were in the Sweet Sparkle Sun Goddess look. There was one skincare product in the Sun Goddess look, so that's why there doesn't seem to be as many products, because I wouldn't use the skincare product in a makeup tutorial. I'm going to use the Pixie by Petra Beauty Blush Duo in the shade Peach Honey, and this was not included in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. I figured it would go along well with the look I'm creating. Wow, it's definitely like a lot glowier than I thought it would be. We're going to be glowing just like the sun. It's pretty, it's just too much shimmer. So my Z palette is really sad, but here it is. I'll use my brush as my pointer. I'm going to use this shade, or I'm going to use this shade right here all over the lid. I took this shadow out of the Z palette so that I could show you and tell you the name of it, because I know I'm going to get a lot of questions. This is Paper Tiger by ColourPop. I don't want to drop it again, but here's this shade, and I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it in my crease. I'm gonna use, can't even see this, but Conundrum. This is really sad. I am gonna order a new Z palette. I'm gonna put this in my crease a little bit to kind of darken it before we do the lid shade. I'm just gonna kind of put it like right in the corner.
Every moment here with you is a kindled flame, growing out of control in this moment.
I don't even know if you can tell, but I hope it like adds a little something to the look. I don't know. When I did the brown, even though it's not very much, we lost a little bit of the yellow. So I'm going to take the yellow again and put it in my crease. Bring that color back.
I can feel it nodding from all your burning ways.
Lastly, for the eyeshadow, we're using a loose pigment by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. And this one is in the shade Beige. Here's what it looks like. I'm just going to put this color on my lid, and I think it'll just really make this pop.
Like an ocean of energy and I'm washed away. You feel awake inside, rising on the two of us.
This could be like a really nice summer look, just for like something fun and different, but it's not like too out there. For mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Cosmetics Their Real Tinted Primer. For mascara, I just picked a random one that I had, and I'm going to use the Clinique High Impact Mascara. The last product that was in my Sun Goddess Sweet Sparkle box is by Luritzi Cosmetics, and it's a lip gloss in the shade Vantage. However, if you watched the unboxing, you'd know that it was a bit sticky, so I decided I'm going to put a lipstick on first. I'm going to use the Burt's Bees Sunset Cruise lipstick. Lastly, for this look, I'm going to use the Luritzi lip gloss, the Luritzi Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Vantage. With the Burt's Bees lipstick, it makes the gloss not sticky at all and just makes my lips look really glossy. I love how it turned out. So here is the completed Sun Goddess makeup tutorial based on the theme of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Sun Goddess. So that is my completed Sun Goddess makeup tutorial based on the products that were in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box with the theme at Sun Goddess. I am in love with this look, and it is one of my favorite that I've ever created. I just absolutely love it, and I'm really impressed with the eyeshadow. I really thought it would be a flop because I wasn't quite sure what angle to start from. Yeah, I really enjoy this look. Another successful month for Sweet Sparkle. Another successful Sweet Sparkle makeup tutorial by FunsizedStyle. That's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe to Sweet Sparkle if you're interested in receiving Sweet Sparkle every month. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!